Hi, I'm Matt Lee. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to blend pastels. I'm going to use, of course, sticks, but also pastel pencils. So let's get to it. Let's start by sketching the size and the shape of this slice. I don't know about you, but to me it looks like a triangle. So I'm sketching the base. Then I see that the top of the triangle lines up with the middle of the base. So I mark the top and then I connect the left side to the top. Then from the top to the right side of the base. Next, I'm going to chop both corners of the base. Then draw a curve going to the top. Like so. Now there's a dent on this line and it goes to the lower right corner. Next, let's draw the top of the flan parallel to the base, obviously. Okay, let's erase now those lines. And next, I'm going to cover the top with yellow. So I press just hard enough so the dust sticks properly to the paper, just like that. With practice, you'll know how much you need to press. I keep covering. I try to stay inside the lines, just like that. And that's it. So, as you can see, this yellow is very bright. So I'm going to tone it down with a light brown. I do the same thing. I cover the whole yellow, but not too hard. You really have to feel the pressure on the paper. Like so. They're light, and the reason is I want to blend the two colors with my finger, just like that, to get a very soft texture, like so. A light touch. Now let's color the inside of the flan, so the base, before adjusting the top. I'm using white to cover correctly the paper, like that. I'm staying inside the lines. Then I'm going to use a light yellow to tone down the white. It's much lighter than the top, as you can see. Next, I'm going to paint the dark spots with a dark brown. You don't want to press too hard so you don't remove the yellow base, like so. I'm not trying to copy exactly the picture. I just want to place some dark values here and there. Now the tip of the slice. Now I want to lighten the dark brown with a light brown. So I'm going over what I did and I blend them just like that. Let's not forget the edge on the curve right there. Then now with a pastel pencil, I'm going to mark a few dark spots to give some kind of a dimension to the brown parts. Darken the tip right there. Then to get richer values, I'm adding some orange on top of the browns. It will be like kind of golden. I now glaze the top to show the layer, the yellowy layer underneath. Again, it gives richer values and colors to the top. Then I'm going to add more orange to give a warmer tone overall. There's more white showing through here. The base as well. Lastly, with my dark brown pastel pencil, I'm going to draw the crust. The base. The bottom here. And also maybe the edge. And oh, there's yellow right there. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.